Hi everyone, this is Usha Pandit. I've been meaning to talk to you about this and do this workshop for a long time. NEP has a very exciting and ambitious document. They're talking about critical thinking and problem solving and putting in curricular and co-curricular technology and values, discovery and enquiry. It is so exciting and moving away from rote and regurgitation. This is the NEP and all of us are talking about it. Now, if you were to look for it, you will find a lot of material on what is critical thinking, and you will find materials on why should we do critical thinking with children. But you are not likely to find a lot of resources on how to do critical thinking in the classroom. Moreover, the complexity is that you have to integrate the subjects. You can no longer teach maths in small silos or science or geography. You need to bring them together so that the child has a holistic curriculum that he discovers, which is fantastic. Again, the question is, how are we going to integrate subjects? How are we going to do critical thinking? What kind of questions are we going to ask? The thing is, these are not skills that have been done in Indian education for a long time. Most of it has been geared towards question answers, meanings, rote, regurgitation of answers, and basically looking at the content. Now suddenly there is a huge shift that we are looking at, and I thought this is the time for me to talk to you about how to do this, how to bring in critical thinking, how to integrate lessons, how to do questioning, and then pull in all this technology, values, ethics, discovery, inquiry, etc., so that children have a fantastic lesson and it flows. See, time management is of the essence. You can do all this, but it will take forever. Then what about your syllabus? What about the exams? So we can't be impractical with these things. We need to deliver these and yet make sure that we have a cogent syllabus in place. Therefore, I am going to show you how to do this. So come and join me on the 5th and the 6th of August from 3 to 6 p.m. and I am going to show you how. We are going to have a lot of fun doing this because it is exciting. Once you know how to do it, it's going to be a journey, it's going to be an adventure as far as lesson planning is concerned. Why am I qualified to do this, you might ask? 3 decades ago, I started with critical thinking. I started with it with a very advanced syllabus in Hong Kong, where critical thinking was of the essence. And then I taught enrichment to students where critical thinking was again at the center of everything that we did in those classes for the gifted. All the books that I've written, all the programs that I do, you will find leanings towards critical thinking and towards integration. So therefore, I'm going to bring in this wealth of knowledge that rests with me and share it with all of you. So do come in on the 5th and 6th. You will get a participation certificate. You will get plenty of resources because I just want to give it away, right? You are going to do case studies with me, with your subjects, so all subject teachers, you need this, right? HODs, principals, all of you need to know what this new syllabus is. And then of course, I'll put you in a WhatsApp group and I'll mentor you for a year. So it's a rare and invaluable deal. So I'm hoping to see a lot of you and to have this very exciting journey and to fulfill those goals of the NEP with ease and successfully, where children are only going to benefit by our efforts. You can register on www.mindsprings.in, which is our website, and you will find details there. So I'll see you soon then.